Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen are True, chapter 96. So here it is. Let's read the story. What is going on? Lord, I'm really drunk. I saw someone break into the palace banquet with a sword. Well, it seems that the palace guard has something into illusion. You're bold. What are you doing? Well, they seems to be asking this person, but Sishining, look at them. She kept herself on silent. Probably she was only watching them, but it seems that this is really getting serious. The man said. Singjun sighed. Well, what do you think? What's going on? It seems that there's really something happening or might gonna happen. Well, Mother Concubine, the Emperor, he seems to be getting worried. Don't panic. Jiangsu said to the Emperor. Well, at least Jiangsu, she is coming and down. Also, positioning. Look at her. She was only sipping a cup of tea, and she was smiling sly. So Guangkai, commander of the Imperial Guards, Shishining suddenly, she was calling the man. I almost forgot that your grandfather was once confiscated by me. My lady has a good memory, the man said to her. Well, it's just that your memory doesn't seem to be that good, Shishining said to her. Well, what do you think? What happened before? Why this man seems to be furious? Although your mother is a noble, your father is from a poor family. Not only do you have no mercy on the poor, but you're also rushed to work. For the nobles who look down your father, what poor boy, this general has a noble blood in his veins. The man said to Shishining, but it seems that Shishining, she knows a lot of things. It's you, the witch. You are cruel and inhumane, and everyone has the right to punish him. Today, the general referred to the emperor's entourage and restore the Great Sea. Now, Changshu, she was keep looking to the man. It seems that she was planting or thinking something for this man to be able to get punished, bringing commotion into the palace. Changshu said to herself, the culprit who messed up with Daisy, it's obviously you, because they were dissatisfied with the Shishanings returning the land they have taken from the people to the people. Well, it really makes sense, right? Now, remembering the fuss, it seems that it was happened before. Well, definitely the person who wants to get revenge on Sishining because he was dissatisfied with the Sea family's control of the army and monopolizing the power. Well, it seems that this person has internal motives. The so-called elders instigated the vast majority of the generals. Well, it seems back then, gaining the power is much really important than the call of duty. Not only Su Shinkai in the front of them, but the entire palace and even entire capital city are under their control. Well, Shishining suddenly she was laughing. Well, probably she was thinking that these like small things that happening, but I'm dying of laughter. Shishining, a traitor, is acting so hypocritically. Well, she was turning down the man. What crime have I committed? Tell me, in detail. Shishaning, she wanted to know why this person is accusing her or something. Well, definitely. The man suddenly get weakened. Why so Shishaning is so calm? Well, why is not surprising at all? Well, for Shishaning, of course, she know how to press this man, not even a hint of fury. Now, the man is swallowing. Shishining is feeling, well, Shishining, still, she was calmed down and she was only staring for the man. Well, definitely, she won't back down on this, but it seems that she was going to be tricky to be fooled by them. You don't think you can escape, do you? The man, under her nose, it seems that he was going to pursue Shishining until she got pinned first off. But it seems that there's something wrong. Your Majesty, your old minister, I'm here to protect you. Well, what do you think? Who's the person who's coming in? Now, everyone is marching in. Could it be that Jiangshu's father is already coming back and now ready to serve seasoning again? Well, for the man, he seems to be getting surprised. Shi Zhuangsheng, aren't you guarding the further? Well, of course, it was really a trick by Sishoning and also Jiangshu to be able to lure them. The old man received a secret message in return. Anyone who wants to harm the emperor and the empress must be get punished first. She knew it long time ago. Well, he knows that even though they're being careful, well, definitely Sishoning know how to play this. This was all in her calculations. Well, he seems to be wrong. Sishoning, of course, she's like a veteran in this field. So Shinjon didn't dare to move further troops, so he must have come back alone. I didn't expect that they could mobilize so many troops in addition to the border patrols. Now, what is striking thing? Shishoning turns out it really turned well, her plans and so on. Now Changshu's father said to eliminate them all. Well, for the man, get the demon queen first. Man, he seems to be panicking because of this. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. Well, there also found a soldier in front of them. Well, definitely Sishoning can be defeated by this old man until the man got vanished. He really deserved to get punished by that. Shishoning, it turns out, she really well planned all of this. Generosity, I want to leave. Well, Shishoning said she really wanted to take this person. Don't worry, your father know his limits. This one is cruelty of the royal family. Now, Jiangshu, she was holding and keeping the emperor's eyes to be closest. There were countless, of course, lying around overnight. Well, this must be really terrifying for the younger emperor, but it seems that my mother and concubine, I'm the emperor, is this a situation I should step forward? No, the little man seems to be getting scarier, but let the mother do their work first. Well, definitely, they really know what's good for him. Now, General C to leave. Well, it seems that Jiangshu's father is really pressing all of the traitor people, even though her own emperor really wanted to know and explain everything to him. What do you think? Can the little emperor forgive them for this? His older father has been sacrificed with these traitors. Well, definitely, he will really need to something or punish them. Now, yes, it's the Holy Mother Queen. So, it seems that the Holy Mother Queen is the one who's getting into their nerves. Well, let's solve and let's see that the Queen Mother will really get punished one day or sooner. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!